Okay, day 5 of a 5-day Fisetin Hit and Run therapy. And took my Fisetin, took my stem cell Regen, here at the beach talking to you guys. And yeah, yesterday was pretty groggy, I gotta tell you, towards the end of the day. It's just kind of confusing kind of feeling as your brain starts pumping out all these garbage. But like I said, it's all part of the program. You have to get rid of senescent cells. Senescent cells make more senescent cells because of the stuff that they secrete. So the idea is to go ahead and do one of these things once a year at least. And in between your dry fast, hopefully, so that you can end up removing a bunch of senescent cells during the dry fast, because that just helps keep you alive, eating these bad cells. And then during the year, get rid of the tons that end up accumulating over time. And that's really what this is all about. You have to get a program of cleaning yourself and regular maintenance. A Philosophy of Time Travel, this book here, talks about this stuff in a very comprehensive way. It's pretty detailed in some sections, but towards the end there's kind of how-to tips on how to do this stuff and how to kind of restructure your life so that you change the oil filter on time. You know, you do your gallbladder flush on time, that kind of stuff. And do all the things that you need to do to keep yourself so healthy you just can't die. I mean, that's kind of the program. It's not about anti-aging. It's not about slowing aging. It's about not dying. And that's really about the only thing you have to worry about. You do all this stuff that we talk about and what we're learning, you've got a good handle on what it's like to be able to live longer. And you're invited. If it's the first time to this channel, please look below at some of the videos and some of the things that have been accomplished by people employing the techniques that I teach. And it's really pretty easy. All you got to do is get the book, The Phoenix Protocol, Drive Faster, Rapid Healing and Radical Life Extension. It's a really cool thing to do. You just make yourself your own doctor. I mean, it's really pretty easy because your body's set up to be a regeneration machine. It is a very complex protein manufacturing facility that makes sure you don't fall apart and die. There's certain things that kind of put that on a time limit that I think we can erase to some degree. What would it be like to have 1 or 2 or 3 lifetimes in length? Seriously. Anyway, back to normal stuff. This was fun. I'm glad you guys followed along. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit the like button. It really helps get this message out to other people, and so they can also help get out of this merry-go-round of pills and illnesses and pills and illnesses and more pills and more illnesses, and this whole cycle of draining your income. You're your best doctor. I'm here to show you how. My name is Dr. August Dunning, and I will talk to you later.